Welcome back. Another short video. And this time around, I'm at the Singapore National Gallery, basement 1. I'm going to try out what seems to be like a bridge. This is part of an installation for the children's Biennale. It's called Stardust. And you just walk across this raised platform, this bridge-like looking thingy. I'm going to point the camera down. You can see my legs. And you will be walking across what seems to be like an endless chasm of death. Something like Indiana Jones. You're protected by just this thin wall of glass. Oh, Jesus. Right, and yeah, I'm walking across. You can see there's a lady in front of me. She's doing something interesting at the third section there. Check it out later. Let's just walk across this. Holy shit. I'm not kidding you guys. I'm afraid of heights, so this is really scary for me here. And it's supposed to stand on this part, right? It is some kind of optical illusion, but the illusion is really real. It's like I'm really shaking right now. It's like a bottomless pit of nothingness. I'm gonna try to stand on this pile of books, and you can see my legs are already shaking like crazy. It's really amazing, and it seems like I'm gonna fall down. Maybe not. I'm just walking through this thin wall of glass to this final section here. Right, this pile of books. I'm going to move around and do a 360, maybe do a 360 here. Wow, this is like a slanted kind of book. It almost seems like it's falling down. Getting a huge sense of vertigo here. It seems like you're ready to fall all the way right down into the endless bottom of darkness. Oh man, this is really nice. It's really great, this installation. It's really different. The feeling's it's really scary when you're doing it right here, you know. I'm sure in video the effect is lessened. So that's it. 3 sections of the bridge. It's called Stardust. Yep, it's part of the children's Biennale, and it is on basement 1 at the Singapore National Gallery. So I do check it out. Singapore's most scariest bridge. Oh yes, and it will be here till 29. I think that's the duration of the children's Biennale. Do check this out and a couple of other installations. Very interesting installations here too. That's it. Short video, below 3 minutes. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.